Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to have a big crawfish boil. We've got 2 sets of crawfish. We're going to go through the whole process of showing you how to do it down here in the dirty South and showing you how to clean them, purge them, whatever you want to call it, and cooking them and what all we're going to do to our cooking process and what we're putting in it. So y'all be sure to stay tuned and we'll get on with it.
So like Chad said, we're going to show you how to get them all purged and cleaned up.
So we're just going to rinse these off.
This is the part you don't want to mess up.
We're going to let this get full of water. And we got the drain just cracked a little bit. So we'll do this one every 30 minutes?
Every 30 minutes, yeah. Well, you want to get real wet. No salt. A lot of people use salt. We don't use any salt. We just water it every 30 minutes. And we let it all drain in until the water's clear. Make sure they kind of purge themselves.
You better watch out, yeah, so there it is. Every 30 minutes, we're going to clean them. I'm going to show y'all. We got this.
You'll see when it gets filled up. Probably it'll be a bunch of mud and
yeah, you can already see all that dirty water coming out. But we'll let them sit in the water for a little bit. Like I said, about every 30 minutes. Just change them out. Yeah, about every cold can. We'll change this water out. We'll drain it all, refill it all back up, and try to stay sober. It's about, what, 10 now? 10:30?
Yeah, 10:30.
And we'll do this all day long.
All day. We'll prep some food and stuff like that along the way, but our main focus is to get all this cleaned up. Nothing worse than dirty crawfish. Yeah, you can kind of start to see the water now.
Coming up?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to close this up.
Let it flop around for a little bit.
Got it full of water. We'll let them hang out there for a little bit.
Alright, so we're 30 minutes into it. About a cold can. We're going to drain it. Show you how dirty this is. Oh, look at how dirty that water is. Is that camera catching how brown it is?
Yeah, maybe a little bit.
Watch that. Now look at it.
Oh, yeah.
We're going to give it a drain. Look, see if there's any dead crawfish. Kind of get them done. Get them pulled out. Make sure that what we got in here is all clean and good. You can see now, look at these jokers. That's a big one. Pretty good size one.
Cold one.
Look at that.
Still dirty water coming out.
Is it?
Yep.
Yeah. And these are supposedly pre-cleaned. So, as you can see, this definitely works. Now, we're going to do this every 30 minutes. So, we're not going to show all of it, of course, because there's no need in rinsing and repeating, but this is how you do it. We'll do it for, like Chad said, probably what, 6-7 hours?
Oh yeah.
If you got all day to do it, it would be better. But look, this is definitely going to work. Alright, so this is the last go around. We've had a bunch of cold cans since then. You can see how clear this water is. It should be coming out crystal clear. We've been doing it every 30 minutes. Sitting out here drinking beer. Lean up. You kind of see. This is what you want to see before you get ready to boil them. Everything's clean. Everything's still alive. So one more go around and we'll be done. All right, guys, so we got everything we're gonna do for the crawfish boil. We've got our mix. Look, this stuff right here ought to kick it up a notch. Got some hot sauce. This is for after. Look, that butter. Ain't nothing better.
For the corn and potatoes?
That's right, man. Ain't nothing better.
Wait, what was that? Well, oh my goodness. Oh yeah, that's what we've been doing while we've been purging that crawfish.
We a little light right there.
Oh yeah. So about a 6-pack, maybe 8.
Plus, we've been drinking other stuff.
You know, we do what we do.
That's right. So, got the majority of our ingredients outside. We're going to go cut and prep that, and we'll give you a shot of how that's going to look and what all it's going to take to get ready. We got the water going outside. It's boiling. It is hot outside, so we're trying to keep it cool while we hydrate. So we'll let you know once we get everything cut up and prepped.
Once the water gets to boiling,
yeah,
we'll show you what to add in and what order.
That's right.
All right. So we've got our crab boil in. It's rolling to a boil. Gonna throw in some hot sauce. It's stout. And our butter. Get that back to a boil. Got some veggies to go in too. We'll see how that goes. Alright, so we're going to throw some lemons and oranges in there. We got it back to a bowl, so we're going to squeeze these out. And we'll let you know how it goes. Alright, so now we've got everything been boiling for a little bit. Our oranges and lemons and hot sauce, it's been stirring up. We've been stirring it. We're going to go ahead and throw in some onions and potatoes. Let them cook just for a minute before we add in our crawfish. Alright, so we're going to get that back to a rolling boil again. Once it gets to that point, we're going to let it boil for about 2 or 3 minutes and throw in some crawfish. Go ahead and throw in some garlic too while we're at it. Any Bud Lights? That's looking right. Yeah, that's gonna be good. So our water was boiling pretty good there for what, 3-4 minutes? 3-4 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and throw in some crawfish now. Okay. So we're going to get that back to a rolling boil. Shouldn't take long at all. And we'll cut the fire off. But we got to fill this one up with crawfish first. Is that what we have a lot? We can probably try dumplings. Lid on it. Shouldn't take very long to get it back to a boil. Let it boil about 2 or 3 minutes. Won't cut the fire off. We got it to a rolling boil. We're gonna let it boil for 3 whole minutes, and then we're gonna cut the fire off. Look at how good that looked. Woo. Get you back in 3 minutes. All right, so we've got the fire cut off. We're gonna give them a good stir.
It looks good.
Oh man, that looks great. Look at all those onions. And we'll keep stirring every 5 to 10 minutes for about 30 minutes. We're going to add in our other veggies. We'll show you that here in a minute. But let's get these stirred first. Doesn't look like there's much room for anything else. All right, got some corn, some jalapeños. That corn will help lower our water temperature too, which is what you want. We're gonna let them soak for about 30 minutes. That way they soak up all the juices and everything. But while we're at it,
Throw it all in there.
throw it all in there. Mushrooms, hot dogs.
Yeah, got about half.
What is that?
Sausages.
Sausage, asparagus.
I think we bought out all the grocery stores.
Brussels sprouts.
Is there anything we're not putting in it?
Broccoli, that's the only thing we didn't do. And you need corn in this pot or in that pot?
Yep. Look, Amo said he wants some.
There we go. All right, I'm gonna let all that soak for about 30 minutes and then it'll be time to eat. We'll stir, like I said, about every 5 to 10 minutes. We're gonna let this cool off. We're gonna pass it around, see what people think. Still got about 10-15 minutes. We've been stirring it every 5 or 10. So we're gonna give a little sample out. Brussels sprout, mushroom, onion. See what people think. All right, let's go see what people think. How y'all want to try just a little sample real quick?
Yes,
Onion, Brussels sprout, mushroom.
I would like an onion, please.
Yeah, onion.
Missy, please. She's so proud.
Ooh,
Get that Brussels
That's
sprout.
hot, hot.
ah,
There you gonna do it here.
Brussels sprout, onion, mushroom.
I'm good. Brussels sprouts.
That Brussels sprout's amazing.
You know what? I'll try it.
Brussels sprout.
That's what I'm talking about. Look at Aiden.
all right. The
Do it.
onion is amazing.
Right?
Man.
Try that mushroom.
And mushroom.
Alright, so we're stirring it again. Probably the last stir. Check this out. You can see all the hot dogs. Crawfish are pretty much sunk to the bottom. That's when you know it's done right. They soak up all those juices and they sink. So last stir and then we're ready to eat.
Get this one.
Yeah.
I bet that jalapeno is fire.
Oh my God.
It feels pretty fucking good right there. The test is, can you pull it out like that? Yup.
Pull them out.
Good.
They're perfect.
Alright, here we go. Got them done. Let's get them out of here. Woo! That is hot. But it looks good.
So there we go. It's been about 30, 45 minutes. I've been stirring every 5 to 10 minutes. Got everything cooked down the way we want it.
Oh, look at that weenie. Thing looks
Should be
legit.
good. We'll get them poured in the ice chest. Get everybody fed. We're gonna go. You want to do a shot of everybody eating one?
Absolutely.
See what happens.
Yeah, I want to see them.
All right, let's pour.
Cool.
You need another one to grab the.
Yep, bottom.
Perfect.
Just as me talking.
That's good. Can't tell me that don't look good.
Got it.
So, look, I think this is the best batch we've done. We've done several over the years. I think this is the best one. Can't wait to see him try it. Get some of it all.
I'm gonna try.
After all that beer, you're gonna be able to eat all that?
It's not my fault it took forever to cook. It purged all day.
It did. It purged all day. Cleanest batch I believe we've ever done.
I don't need the garlic. But I got a little bit of everything.
Got it, man. Can't wait to see what it looks like.
Who knows? Better than this fake butter.
Alright guys, so we got it all done. We're going to show you what it looks like and get some opinions on what everybody thinks.
Cooked perfectly. Right amount of spice.
They're awesome.
What you think, Aiden?
They're good. Nice and hot.
What about you, El Pipo?
Potato.
Potatoes? Delicious? Alright guys, so that's going to be a wrap. That's how you cook crawfish, Louisiana style. Make sure you like and subscribe and drop us a comment and tell us what you think.